If you want to know how I achieved this look, just stay tuned guys and have fun time watching. Hello everyone, welcome to today's video. We are gonna do my everyday makeup look. So I have already prepared my skin and all, put some cream and oil because it's cold here in New York and just drying on the skin. So yeah, let's get started. Yes, this sweater sleeves like puffy blanket. So let's start with primer. Foundation. Just a little. I'm gonna use my finger. Foundation is done. Next is eyeshadow. But we have to put concealer on the eyelid. I'm just gonna use my fingers. I'm gonna set my eyelid. Okay. Next is eyeshadows. I'm gonna get this buff satin. Okay, we're gonna do our next eyeshadow color. This is by Carly Bible and this is my go-to palette. Oh, and we're gonna get this. Can you see it? This spot right here. A little brownish. Just on the crease. Okay, I'm gonna do my eyeliner. So this is cream pencil eyeliner. I normally use this for eyebrows, but I think it's kinda dark for me, so I use it as an eyeliner. How'd you like that? I like it. Well, I like it. Flipped. I think I work better with the brown eyeliner, so I'm gonna stick with this. Well, I have finished off my concealer. Now I'm gonna proceed to my setting powder. Let's get this damp sponge. Damp sponge? I'm gonna do my eyebrows. Most important thing, the eyebrows. Just brushing it up. Make sure it's even. So where those hairs are not growing, then I'm gonna fill it up. This eyebrow is a little bit tough, but I'm gonna work on it. Okay, next one. Let's put some tail. I'm gonna use this concealer to clean up the edges. Just tiny bit. And of course, blend. I'm gonna use this sponge. It's clean now. Okay, I'm gonna go back to where I belong. Okay. Next is contour. Let's get this one. Just tap off the excess. And I'm just gonna do right here on the side. Tap in your forehead. Bronzer. So let's just tap it off. Just a little. And then goes just on the top of the contour powder. So you put your hair up. Oh, I forgot about this. So let's do that. Okay, be easy for us. And push it up. Next is blush. I think I feel like peach today. So let's use this. I like it a little bit scattered. I think this is the best shimmer blush I have. So I'm gonna just put it in the front, just in the center, just to highlight it. Oops, some more. Alright, next, nose contour. I'm gonna use this. Alright, highlight for the nose. I'm gonna use this yellowish and the bright one. I'm gonna mix the two of them. Just gonna have to blend. Let's do highlighter. I'm gonna use this brownish and the pinkish one. Just a little. You could put more if you want. I'm using my pinky to apply my highlighter. I'm gonna blend. Just blend. And your nose bridge, don't forget about it. So I like to put it this way. And the tip of your nose. See what I'm talking about? Cool. Yeah. Oh, powder. Finally, we're almost done. I'm gonna do my powder. Just to finish it off. And your neck. You don't have to open your mouth to apply mascara. So you just gotta have to feel it and then push it up. A little push in and up. Well, I'm gonna use this mascara fiber so it gives a little bit more volume. This one is a little bit harder to apply. because it might get stuck in your eye if you don't know how to use it. So be careful, guys. You cannot apply the fiber if the mascara is dry. So just for touch up, and remove some excess, just so it won't get into your eye, because it's gotta be so annoying, guys. I've done it before. I have to line my lips first, because you see this is so tiny lip right here. Oops, that's what I'm talking about. It's so hard. Okay, the lipstick, guys. Should I do the nude ones or the clay crush? But I like this one better. Clay crush. Look, see how nice it is? I like this one better. Oh, and it fits for my skin tone. I'm just gonna do my hair. Nothing fancy, just to tie it up and all set. This is the final look. How'd you like that? Well, I like it so much. So I certainly hope that you liked the video, and if you did, please give it a thumbs up, or follow me on Facebook, or comment and share. I'd love to hear from you guys. So that's about it for today. Bye!